yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Then there were four green speckled frogs. Glop, glop. Five colorful frogs had five little frogs in a line. Each one had a color so fine. Red, blue, green, and yellow too. The fifth one wore a bright pink shoe. Hop, 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 they jumped with glee. What colorful frogs for you to see. Let's count the frogs. Let's count the frogs. 1, 2, 3, sitting by the jungle tree. 4 and 5 come hopping near, croaking songs for us to hear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh my, watch them leap into the sky. Frogs in the rain. With nothing to do, looked at the sky and saw it was blue. Then came clouds so big and gray, raindrops started to fall that day. Splish splash said the froggy crew, jumping in puddles like frogs love to do. Frogs and bugs. 5 green frogs with empty tummies, looking around for bugs so yummy. One saw a fly and gave a hop, caught it with a slurp and didn't stop. Buzz, buzz, munch, munch, croak, croak too. Frogs know what to do. Frogs and bugs. 5 little frogs playing all day, jumping and joking in a funny way. One wore glasses, one had a hat, one did a wiggle and one got fat. The littlest frog gave a big loud laugh, telling frog jokes in a bubble bath. How many frogs are on the log? Let's count them, every frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, did we miss one? Let's not be late. Where did frog number 5 go? Maybe he's hiding down below. How many frogs are on the log? Let's count them, every frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, did we miss one? Let's not be late. Where did frog number 5 go? Maybe he's hiding down below. How many frogs are on the log? Let's count them, every frog with a splash and a hush. Blue on the flowers, green on the grass, red on the rocks, and purple in class. One made a rainbow up in the sky. Frogs are artists, oh my, oh my. Jump like a frog, jump up high, touch the moon and reach the sky. Croak and wiggle, hop around, let your feet make froggy sounds. 5 green frogs are full of cheer. Thanks for joining. See you next year.